Okay, this is a recipe for basic pasta dough. So I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I put it in a large bowl, and I made a well in the middle of the flour. I have 6 large eggs, a half a cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and I'm going to beat that and add to the flour. More flour. It's between 5 and 5.5 cups. Right here I have 5. If I need more flour, I will add. This is beaten really well, and I think that will do it. Okay, now I'm going to take my 6 beaten eggs with the water and a little olive oil and pour right into the well. There we go. And now I'm going to mix it into a ball. And like I said before, I might need a little more flour. It said between 5 and 5.5 cups. Right now I have 5. If need be, I can always add some more flour. But I'm going to... Okay, now I'm kneading the dough. I'm trying to make it into a ball. Like, so far I don't think I need any more flour, but my hands do get sticky, so I do take a little flour and rub them in. I'm kneading the dough. It said to knead it and form a ball. I have the 32-ounce ricotta. I have the regular, but you can use skim if you'd like. I have an egg right here. I'm going to beat that. Okay, I'm going to add that to my ricotta. Start mixing it. I always add parsley flakes to it, and I just sprinkle some in. I like to use a little pepper. Himalayan salt, so I'm just going to grind some in, not too much. And since our recipe today is spinach raviolis, I am going to add a cup of chopped spinach. And this will make our ricotta spinach filling. So what you need is the ravioli maker with press, and this is what you need, ravioli maker with press, and this is what it looks like when it's taken out of the box. So what you do is you roll the dough over the silver part, you put this on top, and then it makes the pockets. You take a piece of dough, I have some flour on it, and we're going to start rolling it out. Okay, I'm still rolling the dough. I want it to get to the length of this right here, so I need to do a little bit more. You're going to pick this up and place it on top of the metal, and it should cover it. That covers it nicely. Then you take this, place it on top, and firmly press it down. There. This is going to make the pockets for the filling. Okay, I'm going to remove it. And as you can see, you have nice pockets. I'm going to fill the raviolis. I use this little baby spoon because I don't want to overfill it because it will squish out. And I just put a dollop right in there. Okay. So once the raviolis are all filled like so, I'm going to take a second piece of dough and roll it out for the top. Now I'm rolling out a second piece of dough. Now that I have my dough at the desired length, I'm going to pick it up and place it right on top. Okay, I'm going to take my rolling pin and roll it back and forth, and this is what makes the individual raviolis, as we all know and love. You might have to do it a few times. Okay, now you're going to pull all the excess dough off. It should come off really nice and easily, just like that. Just a reminder, you want to dust this frame lightly with flour to make it easier to remove the raviolis. I am taking mine out with this fork, so it works. And I'm going to put them on a cookie sheet to dry. They have to be dried for 1 hour and then flipped over and dried for another hour. So we made 8 dozen homemade raviolis. Then we'll place them in the freezer in between parchment paper. And we had some leftover dough, so we made 2 giant raviolis. And that's it. Bon appetit.
And remember, stay young and have fun.